For the 6th and the 7th lesson, we learned how to ask a person's contact, such as email address, telephone number, and the business card. And also we learned how the numbers in French. So from 0 to 20 and 100 to 100. Yeah. It goes like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10. And from 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And 100 is 100, and 200 is 200. And the way we ask, do you have the business card, is vous avez une carte de visite? The carte de visite means a business card, and vous is you in the formal way, and avez is have, and une is, since carte is female, so une is female. Yeah, female. So vous avez une carte de visite, and if you don't have one, you say non. Vous n'avez pas? Vous n'êtes pas? Yeah, sorry. Non, je n'ai pas de carte de visite. And de is DE, and if you're negative, if you're saying negative, it is all the like une, la, le becomes de or de. And yeah. For the informal way, you say tu as une carte de visite, and a is same as ave, but since it's informal, so it's kind of different. And yeah. And the way we ask the email address is almost the same way. It's almost the same, but instead of une carte de visite, you say un address email, or if it's telephone number, it's numéro de téléphone portable, or numéro de téléphone. Portable means portable, so yeah, so if it's cell phone, it becomes portable, but if it's like normal telephone, it's just telephone. And the way we answer it is the same, and like I don't have. And if you have one, you say oui, j'ai une carte de visite, un numéro de téléphone, an adresse email, etc. And if you're telling them the number, it's, for example, 06, 09, 12, 07, 20, no, 20, yeah, like that. And also, the at mark in French is arrobas. So if you're asked the email address, and if you want to see it vocally, how do you say that? Oral. You say, for example, Garnier 04 arrobas gmail.com, and point means dot, period in French. Yeah. And yeah, that's all, I think. This was the first time I learned, like, I think I learned French before for half a year, but I actually never had a chance to learn the email address and like how to ask those business things, because mine was more grammar-ish. And also this time we learned like, wow, that's amazing. Like, how do you say that? Like more poppy words? Does that make sense? Okay. Well, poppy words, and in French, like, wow, really? It's tian. And I actually never had the chance to learn those communicative language, more like informal, casual language. Yeah, so yeah, it was my first time learning those. And yeah, I'm not really actually good learner with ears. I don't remember good by ears. But the teacher, um, he wants me to, not me, but us to remember the pronunciation. So he mostly speaks, not write. And since I'm kind of visual learner, it's hard for me to remember those words and in the class time. So for example, ahobas, um, it took a while to remember. But my classmate, there was this woman, and she told me a good way to remember ahobas, which is ahobasu. It means stupid bus in Japanese. And yeah, that was really good way to remember. Yeah. Mm. Oh, also numeho, the telephone. Like numeho always mixed up with number. It's the same meaning, but number is English, numeho is French, and numeho was pretty hard for me to remember too. Yeah, I think the classmate really helped me out with remembering stuff, because it's really hard for me to remember those kind of words. Yeah. Think, this time we remember how to, in French, um, each verb have different spelling and pronunciation by the subject. So if it's ju, I, it's have is ai and it's pronounced je. But if it's tu means you in informal way, it's a, so it's tu a. And if it's you in formal way, it's vu and it's ave in avez. So it's vous avez. It's different. See, and also if it's elle, il, it's like he, she. It's a as well. So it's ella, ila, and yeah, it's quite different. And and have in the regular way, which is not like changed, it's avoir, avoir, avoyr. French is my French teacher said this too, but French grammar is pretty hard. It's harder than English, because just asking where do you live have several ways. It has like 4 ways. For example, est-ce que vous avez no, est-ce que vous habitez où? Or vous habitez où? Où vous habitez? Où habitez-vous? Okay, I don't know if it works, but I don't know that works, but it has several ways of asking, and there's the written way, formal way, and the questioning way. It's all different. It's pretty hard, which is kind of challenging. But we help each other. Classmate helps me. I try to help my classmate, and I think that is working very well. Thank you.